Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the Kiwi dollar on the daily. We've got this level, distribution level. I'll just mark that up. Okay, we're trading back into it now. We've had this fairly strong bearish candle. And if we have a look at this, and this lower high, if we have a look at this on a 4-hour chart. By the way, guys, just a quick diversion. This Kiwi dollar trade is a trade that I'm taking on my Traders with Edge account. And I've done a video on what I think is one of the best challenges out there. The video's in the description below. Check that out. It's titled Why I Like Traders with Edge. I think this is an incredible opportunity to trade other people's money. I went with the 25k turtle account, and if you click this, you have these options, and I went with increasing maximum loss and removing the daily loss limit. Gives you so much room to move, takes away the stress of these otherwise limitations. Yeah, definitely check that out. And the opportunity to trade a funded account, once you break through some of these challenges and you get into 100k, 200k sized accounts, the return is really worthwhile. See down here, you've got a whole year to achieve a 10% gain and then shift into a funded account. So definitely worth checking it out. And here's the thing too, you know, once you've got 3 or 4 of these accounts running and you're up around 100, 200k and higher, the income potential is exceptional. So yeah, I trust you'll check it out. Link below. And let's get back to the chart. So we've got this daily order block, 4-hour. I'll mark that. So this nested level, 4H. My bias is definitely short with this, given this break of structure. So we have break of structure here, BOS to the downside, bearish. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join our free Telegram channel. I'd love to see you in there, and you're most welcome. So we've got this break of structure, 4-hour. Okay, so we can see this 4-hour trend here now has shifted gears. And my bias is to sell. Now, the only thing with this, though, is if you have a look at the stock markets, you can see that they've sold off. And that will generally strengthen the dollar. So I'm looking for, in this case then, buy into strength, sell into weakness, so Kiwi dollar sell. But the thing is, given that the stock markets are fairly overextended, a decent retrace wouldn't surprise me. And if we get that, this would most likely follow. So I'm thinking I'll go and market, well, I've already entered short at the base of this level here. So that's one position short, market sell, and I'll be looking to layer in. Okay, so I've placed another sell limit order just at the base of this range here. This 4-hour order block, just slightly under halfway, something like that. So there's a sell order in there. I'll just copy that. And what I tend to do, not everyone does this, but I like to double up on this. So if we get a fill up here, it doesn't take long for this to be in the money, given that this is 2/3 of my entry down here. So that's my play. And I mean, if this doesn't retrace, I say I don't get a fill up here, at least this market sell is in, it's running, and we'll get a little bit out of it, possibly. So we'll see how we go with it. Stop loss, depending on your risk appetite and what have you, but let's just grab one of these. I'll average it out. Let's say this does spike up and we get a fill. So that would be above the daily high. And then of course it changes things a bit. So you've got this wider range here with your risk. I would be looking at something like that. I mean, we've been seeing some pretty serious stop runs in recent times, so it wouldn't surprise me if this spikes up. Let's have a look at this. We've got this price gap in here. Okay, so have a look at this candle. If we pick the candle left and the candle right and we pull that through there, let's just mark that up as a 4-hour price gap. So the market's looking for two things. It's looking for, one, liquidity, and the second thing it's looking for, it's looking to rebalance. So we have this imbalance sitting here. So it wouldn't surprise me we see this thing spike up, rebalance, and possibly then we get our opportunity. I mean, the market can be unpredictable, but you've just got to weigh it up, see what's on the chart, and do your best. And hopefully most of your trades come out on top. That's the key. We're going to lose a few, but yeah, we win the majority and build our account. That's the main thing. So we got this price gap. We've got liquidity sitting above. So I'll pull back up into liquidity prior to further downside. So that's what I'm thinking. We could get something like that. So I think, that more or less wraps it up, guys. That's my take on the Kiwi dollar at the moment. With that, hope you have a great day. Join Telegram, links below. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.